วัสดีค่ะ Minister of Finance Mr. อภิศักดิ์ตันติวรวงศ์ Chairman of the Stock Exchange of Thailand Dr. ชัยวัฒน์วิบูลย์สวัสดิ์ Governor of the Bank of Thailand Dr. วีรไทยสันติประภพ Secretary General of Security and Exchange Commission คุณระพีสุจริตกุล Chairman of Patra Security Executive คุณบรรยงพงษ์พาณิชย์ Mr. Chris Gammon, Co-Head of Asia Pacific Investment Banking and Country Executive for Singapore and Southeast Asia, Bank of America Merrill Lynch. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Stock Exchange of Thailand, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you all to Thailand Focus 2015, Opportunity, Growth and Reform. Today we are extremely honored by the presence of Kun Aphisak Tanti Warawong, Ministry of Finance, to deliver the opening remarks. This conference aims to promote investment opportunities in the Thai capital market by demonstrating the fundamentals and the growth potential. It's the largest capital market conference in Thailand, where investors from around the world can learn about the significant potentials of Thai economy from top policy makers and experts. Despite global economic volatility and domestic political conditions, Thailand economic fundamentals and listed company remain strong. We are delighted and feel honored that this year Thailand Focus has attracted more than 100 leading Thai listed companies. Regarding the fundamental and achievement, Thailand for many years proven its resiliencies despite a number of local and global challenges. Although the Thai economies at large has not expanded as much as in the past, Thailand's security market has grown remarkably. Our market capitalization has grown from $180 billion in the year 2008 to $430 billion at present. Such growth has been supported by strong performance of Thai listed companies. They register a solid earnings growth of about 12% per year on average. It's worth to mention that more than 100 listed companies take advantage of Thailand's strategic location. They have expanded their operation abroad, especially in ASEAN and Greater Mekong sub-region. In the year 2014, these companies generate about half of their revenue outside Thailand. Thailand stands out as one of the most attractive capital markets in the region. On the quantitative side, Thailand has been not only the most liquid securities market, but also the largest fundraising venue for the past 3 consecutive years. In terms of the quality, Thailand has been top ranking in ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard, appraised by the ASEAN Development Bank. We have taken the development to the next level. In this year, 13 Thai listed companies were included in the Dow Jones Sustainability Index, the highest number in ASEAN. This affirms Thailand's achievement as a regional leader in sustainability development. For the growth potentials, even all these achievement records, Thailand must not only maintain the momentum, but also build on it. We strongly support the government, economics and financial reforms to create new sources of growth. The Stock Exchange of Thailand will introduce the rubber futures at the beginning of next year in January. It is the first agricultural derivative traded on the derivative exchange, which is a subsidiary of the Stock Exchange of Thailand. It marks another milestone for the exchange to diversify our asset class offering to the investment communities a variety of the new investment vehicles, such as holding company, infrastructure fund, and real estate investment trusts are now available. They would facilitate diverse capital requirements and business structure employed by the Thai and foreign companies. The company would benefit from liberalization and freer flow of capital with a wider funding and investor base. Investors have access to broader choices of investment products and improved financial services. Intermediaries could capitalize these emerging opportunities to expand their service and market coverage. We aim toward international recognition and sustainable, both regional and global. Thai-listed companies have shown uniqueness, competitive edge at international level, which could strengthen the Thai capital market and drive the Thai economy and the country toward the sustainability. The rising number of the Thai-listed firms in the universe of the DJSIs reflects that the quality of the Thai companies up to the global standards, underlying the set mission to become a sustainable stock exchange. Most importantly, the Stock Exchange of Thailand will continue to be a vital mechanism for the country's economic growth, while opportunities to the regional and global initiative, integration and growth. Regarding Thailand's strong position, I would say Thailand is uniquely positioned to be a country of choice for borderless investment opportunities in ASEAN. With the opening of the AEC and the strong growth potential in the GMS, investors would be able to utilize Thailand to tap into the rapid growing region. Looking ahead, Thailand's sustainable growth is underpinned by not only the solid fundamental and infrastructures, but also various reform agenda planned and executed by the government. By including the Thai stocks in your portfolio, you would already be exposed to the regional and global growth opportunities. I'm confident that all of you will benefit greatly from the conference and trust that you will continue to take part in the exciting investment opportunities that Thailand offers. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity once again to express my sincere appreciation to the Minister of Finance, honored guests, distinguished speakers, and all participants for making Thailand Focus 2015 a successful event. I would also like to thank Patra Securities and Bank of America Merrill Lynch for their commitment and enthusiasm to organizing this conference. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Khun Apisak to deliver the opening remarks and keynote speech.